they're stuck in the mud, they want to change and break everything. And the truth is probably somewhere in between. And the thing that makes intergenerational work is empathy, which is just trying to understand the things that were going on in their lives that give them the worldview that they have, right? So this youngest generation is the first generation to grow up with social media normal in their lives. Just as an aside, the best definition of Instagram I ever heard is happy pictures of unhappy people. So the point is they've grown up being shown a vision of the world that they're trying very hard to perform through massive amounts of insecurity, right? Massive amounts of uncertainty, massive amounts of loneliness. This generation is suffering anxiety and loneliness on unprecedented levels. And they're turning to various devices that are making them sick for salvation. We have to consider that. And so the question is, well, how do we help them? Screaming and yelling at them is not going to work. Putting them in environments that show them what different looks like is welcome. So, for example, if you had my ideal world, which I'm never going to get this, but I would ban phones in offices, right? Because I want people to talk, I want to foster relationships. You can tell the generation of people. If you walk through your offices, you can tell what the generation somebody is. Somebody's a little older, their phone is over here by their computer. If somebody's a little younger, it's over right here. If somebody's entry level, their phone is face up in between their hands while they're typing. Walk with them, they sing, right? You go to somebody old, like, where's your phone? They're like, I think it's in my, I don't know, I think it's in my bag, right? But it's a very big silence, okay? Ban cell phones in meetings. Ban them. Just in conference room, right? Just ban them. You really can leave that inside the offices if you want, the conference rooms. If you really want to go crazy, no computers inside meetings either. And there's data on this, which is people who take notes on computers actually don't develop problem solving, where people who write notes with hand actually have better problem solving ability, because you have to discern what's important, what's not important, as opposed to just typing everything. But at the very minimum, ban phones. And a couple of companies that have taken me up on the challenge, I followed up. I said, yeah?